Okay, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Okay, today our class focus on the last topic in chapter 3. Okay, so this one, okay, so we call as a signal flow diagram. Okay, this one SFD. Okay, so hopefully you understand all the subtopic in chapter 3. Okay, especially for state space and also for block diagram reduction. Okay, signal flow diagram is another alternative, okay, to find the transfer function. Okay, unlike block diagram, consists block, signal, summing junction and peak off point. Okay, so this one we already talked about. Okay, so here today we focus on signal flow. Okay, for signal flow graph, consists only two elements. Okay, first is a branch. Okay, and then the second one is a node. Branch is the meaning of the branch. So you can see here. Okay, the basic element of a signal flow graph is a unidirectional path. Okay, so this one we call as a branch. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so this one we call as a branch. Okay, so ada ada system and then the other direction. Okay, and then the second one is a node. Okay, node is a input output point or junction. Okay, so we call as a node. Okay, so for the signal flow graph, okay, signal flow diagram, the important thing is a direction of flow, direction of signal flow. This one is a too important. Okay, so you need to draw all the signal with the flow. Okay, okay, this slide show the comparison between block diagram and signal flow. Okay, so here I want to talk about this. Okay, so there are 6 points you can find out. Okay, so first, applicable to linear time invariant system only. So both method can applicable to the linear time invariant system. Okay, second one is each element is represented by block. Okay, this one for block diagram. And then for SFG, so this one each variable is represented by node. And then number 3, okay, summing point and take off point are separate. Okay, so you can see in the block diagram. So macam mana dia punya summing point and take off. Okay, and then but for the SFG, summing point and take off are not used. Okay, because we just use two element, node and branch. Okay, and then number 4, self loop do not exist. Okay, this one we talk about loop. Okay, but SFG as self loop can exist. And then number 5, it is a time consuming method because we need to reduce, okay? So it take longer than SFG. Okay, so SFG we just use Mason rule to find transfer function. Okay, so nanti kita akan belajar apa itu Mason rule. Okay, and then number 6, feedback path is a presented. Okay, and then for the SFG, feedback loop are present. Okay, okay, so I hope you can can compare between block diagram and signal flow graph. Okay, next continue the chapter, the slide. Okay, so next is about this one. Okay, for example, you have interconnection with the signal and system. Okay, so for example, this one, okay, you have R1, R2, R3, okay, input for G1 minus G2 and G, and then you only have one output V. Okay, but for in this case, okay, C1, C2, C3 output for system G4, G5 minus G6, and then only have one input V. So here you can solve, okay, to find Vs. Okay, Vs is a output. Okay, So Vs equal at 1 multiply G1 multiply R2 G2 plus R3 G3. So you just see here, okay? Okay, and then the next is to find C2. Okay, so C2. So C2 actually okay, so you can see C2 equal to G5 multiply V. So V you dah ada kat sini kan. Okay, you just multiply dengan G5 and then you can get R1 G1 G5. Okay, and then minus R2 G2 G5 plus R3 G3 G5. Okay, same for the C3. Okay, for the signal flow, the important thing is a sign, okay? So, if in the system you have a negative sign, so meaning that you need to put the negative sign, okay? Sangat penting dia punya sign ni. Okay, and then, okay, so dah tahu dia punya turn, dah tahu dia punya element. Okay, so now how you want to convert block diagram to signal flow? Okay, basically the idea adalah first convert the signal to node. Okay, so you kena tahu input dengan output and then you convert input and output to the nodes. And then after you convert to node and then you can connect. Okay. Okay, so and then you interconnect the node with the system branch. Okay, so next slide is about exercise. Okay, so this exercise you can this exercise is about how to convert block diagram to signal flow diagram. Okay, so there are two exercise A and B. Okay, so let's we solve. Okay, how to draw signal flow diagram. Okay, so now we go the first one. Okay. 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 Now we want to draw signal flow diagram. So what's supposed to do? Okay. So you here you have a G1, G2, G3. So ada tiga sistem. Okay. So input. Okay, and then S2 output for G1, and then this one output, this one input, and then this one output, this one input for G3. Okay, so first apa kena buat? Okay, so draw dia punya node. Okay, so macam saya buat untuk untuk this one dulu. Okay, okay, node for R. Okay, and then for X2. Okay, X1. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then you interconnect. Okay, this one. Okay. Tulislah kat sini G1. Okay. And then connect buat yang second one G2. Okay. So, this one is a X2. Okay, sorry. Tengok balik kat situ. X2. Okay, and then next. Okay, sepatutnya kena buat node dulu. Okay, node. Okay. And then this one is X1. Okay, and then interconnect. Okay, so this one G2, and then okay, G2. Okay, and then last one is output CS. Okay, C. So just letak C je, and then interconnect this one. Okay, and then put the G3. Okay, inilah dia punya example. Okay, dia punya solution. Okay, next kita pergi pada second one. Okay, this one feedback. Okay, so boleh nampak kat sini. Okay, G1, G2, G3, H2, H1. So, kita draw this one. Okay, convert. Okay, paling senang buat dulu CS. Okay, C, and then dia connect dengan plan. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, saya ni terbalik pula. G3. Okay, and then input for G2. Okay. And then ada summation kat sini. Okay, summation kita tak perlu masukkan. Kita terus jump to add kat sini. Okay, so add. Okay, this one G1. Okay. Okay, and then kita buat for H1. Okay, H1 kita buat dulu dia punya node. Okay, H2 node dia sambung dekat summation tu. Okay. So, kita buat kat sini. Kita buat je plus minus H1. Okay. So, and then kita pergi this one. Okay. This one adalah untuk. Okay, jangan lupa nak panah ni. Okay. Okay, so this one is a minus plus. Okay, so minus plus pula. Okay, so this one is H2. Okay, that's all kita punya contoh. Okay, so ada 2 contoh kat sini. So hopefully you can understand how to convert from block diagram to signal flow diagram. Okay, so you can see, you can watch the video again and again to draw signal flow. If you don't understand, you can ask me. Okay, so next video I will explain about Mason rule. So I'm so sorry if in my video you have what we call gangguan. Okay, sorry lah, ada anak kan, macam tu lah. Okay, so I hope you can understand the signal flow diagram, and then you can draw from block diagram to signal flow. Okay. Okay, that's all for this video. Okay, next kita jumpa pasal Mason rule. Okay, thank you.